You can pay your bills online through Reinders.com. From the homepage, you will see multiple links to access the Orders and Pay My Bills page, where you will be able to pay your bills. Full access to online bill pay is dependent on your role and permission level. On this page you will see tabs for orders, open invoices, deposits, and payment methods. On the Orders tab, you will see all your orders, including their ERP number, which is your Reinders order number, the date they were created, their status, the date they were invoiced, the total cost, and the location the order is being shipped to. If you included a purchase order, that will also be shown here. These columns allow you to refine your search parameters if you are trying to find a specific order. The Open Invoices tab will give you the total balance of your outstanding invoices. You will see a list of invoices, as well as when they are due, their purchase order, the location where the order is being shipped, the amount of each invoice, the amount you would like to pay, and, if applicable, discount amounts and expiration dates. To see further invoice information, simply click on the invoice number. To pay an invoice, check the box of the invoice you would like to pay, and select Make a Payment. If you have a card or ACH on file, choose which one you would like to use to make the payment. Please note, there is a 1% convenience fee when paying with a credit card. If you don't want to make a payment on a specific invoice and want to make a payment on account, you will do this on the Deposit tab. Choose the amount of funds you would like deposited. We also recommend adding a note regarding the reason for the deposit, for your professional records. The Payment Methods section will show all of your company's current payment methods for online bill pay. Those who have access are also able to edit or delete current payment methods, and add new payment methods as well.